Imagine a domain where the decisions related to life and death are not governed by human agency, as we currently understand it, but instead by machines. Autonomous weaponry, propelled by artificial intelligence, has surpassed the limits of science fiction. Indeed, it is gradually becoming a concrete reality. However, what ramifications does this present for the future of warfare? Furthermore, what does it imply for humanity in its entirety? Although the technology offers potential benefits, it also provokes significant ethical dilemmas because the stakes are exceedingly high. This evolution in the essence of conflict could reshape our comprehension of power and accountability. In recent years, the rapid advancement of AI-governed military technology has progressed at an unprecedented pace. These systems are engineered to perform many functions, spanning from reconnaissance to extensive combat operations, without necessitating human supervision. The objective is clear: to enhance military efficiency, reduce human casualties, and increase precision amidst the tumult of war. However, this swift evolution provokes ethical dilemmas because it undermines conventional paradigms. Although some individuals celebrate these innovations, others voice apprehensions regarding the consequences. However, this technological advancement presents an ethical quandary, one that interrogates the fundamental nature of warfare. Can we truly place our trust in machines to decide matters of life and death? Unlike humans, AI, by its very design, lacks empathy, compassion, and moral judgment. Therefore, what happens when a machine, such as an algorithm, commits a grievous error in judgment? This question persists, provoking a deep reflection on our reliance on technology. Although it is tempting to embrace these innovations, we must carefully contemplate the implications, because they could have far-reaching consequences. The international law seeks to establish accountability and protect human rights during times of conflict. However, it is currently confronting significant challenges due to this emerging frontier. The Geneva Conventions were initially formulated with human combatants in consideration, but how do these regulations extend to machines? Who assumes responsibility when an autonomous weapon contravenes international law? Is it the soldier, the programmer, or perhaps no one at all? Although these inquiries are essential, the answers remain elusive because the ramifications of such technology are far-reaching. This persistent dilemma highlights the necessity for a comprehensive reevaluation of current legal frameworks. As autonomous weapons approach the brink of reality, global discussions escalate. On one hand, advocates contend that AI might reduce human error and consequently diminish the risks faced by soldiers. They envision a future in which fewer lives are lost in combat. However, critics raise alarms about the potential hazards. They point to the absence of accountability and the threat posed to civilians. Although these debates underscore the widening chasm regarding how, or even if, such weapons ought to be regulated, this issue remains contentious. Although fully autonomous weapons remain just beyond the horizon, semi-autonomous systems are already operational today. Drones, for example, are frequently employed for surveillance purposes, and missile defense systems can function with minimal human oversight. However, even these systems necessitate human intervention at critical junctures, because their functionality is not fully independent. This underscores the importance of human oversight in the evolving landscape of military technology. Worried about the consequences of autonomous weapons, several organizations and nations have initiated campaigns aimed at their complete prohibition. The campaign to stop killer robots is advocating for proactive global treaties that would forbid the creation and deployment of fully autonomous weapons. Their message is straightforward. Humans, not machines, ought to bear the responsibility for making decisions in warfare. However, some argue that technological advancements could enhance strategic effectiveness. The ethical dilemmas remain significant. Although the campaign has gained momentum, challenges persist, primarily because many countries prioritize military innovation over regulation. This tension highlights the complexity of balancing technological progress with humanitarian concerns. Anticipating the future, AI, artificial intelligence, is poised to assume a pivotal role in the evolution of war. As we look ahead, it becomes increasingly evident that the integration of AI technologies and military strategies will fundamentally reshape the dynamics of conflicts and security themselves. The advent of autonomous drones and robotic soldiers presents a formidable transformation from the traditional concept of warfare, with the potential to revolutionize tactical operations and strategic decision-making. These advancements, however, bring to the forefront a myriad of complex ethical and practical considerations that demand thorough evaluation and deliberation. One pressing question that arises is whether we will possess the necessary mechanisms to effectively regulate and control these autonomous systems within the constraints of ethical frameworks and international laws. Ensuring accountability and transparency in the deployment of AI-driven military assets will be paramount to mitigate the risks of unintended consequences and potential ethical dilemmas. Furthermore, responsible utilization of AI in warfare calls for the development of robust safeguards and oversight mechanisms to prevent misuse or abuse of these powerful technologies for nefarious purposes. While the potential benefits of leveraging AI in military applications are undeniably vast, it is imperative not to overlook the profound implications and risks associated with the indiscriminate proliferation of autonomous weapon systems. The ethical, legal, and strategic ramifications of this paradigm shift in warfare necessitate a comprehensive and holistic approach to harness the potential of AI while upholding principles of human rights, international and humanitarian law, and ethical conduct in battle. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is crucial to strike a delicate balance between innovation and responsibility to ensure that AI contributes positively to global security and stability. As technology progresses, the way ahead hinges on collaboration. Governments, technologists, and military leaders need to unite to create precise ethical standards and legal frameworks. The crucial aspect is to guarantee that autonomous systems serve as instruments for good, enhancing human decision-making, not safety. We must act promptly to regulate their usage, because if we delay, it may be too late, although some may disagree. This is a pivotal moment in our technological evolution. In the closing scene, we observe a soldier positioned at the periphery of the battlefield. He gazes outwards, observing autonomous drones that hover ominously in the distance. The sky, although once tumultuous, is gradually clearing. This image evokes a sense of reflection. What has been sacrificed, and what remains uncertain.